So the names of compounds. So as the number of carbon atoms increase, there are different names for each. So the first we have the carbon number 1, the name is meth. Then we have carbon number 2 and the name is eth. Then we have carbon number 3 and the name is prop. Then 4 bute, 5 pent, and 6 hexa. Then we have the functional groups right over here and the families. So alkane has a name of ane. Alkene with carbon double bonds will have a name of ene. Alcohols with OH group will have anol. Carboxylic acid with COOH will have anoic acid. Amines with NH2 groups will have amine, and esters with COO bonds will have alanoate.